Greetings from Nabu Capital. My name is Mwongela, the Chief Customer Experience Officer at Nabo, and I would like to welcome you to our Treasury Solution / Cash Management series, where we want to delve into optimizing cash flows and how your company can generate a passive income line. We've looked at significant blue chip companies here in Kenya and realized that a lot of them only generate less than 1% of investment income. What if we were able to change that? In this series, we're going to be speaking about key insights on how you can do it, why does it matter, and we'll bring to you our CEO, our Chief Investment Officer, that's both Pius and Damitha, and also some client testimonials. So log in and we look forward to learning and relearning with you. Thank you.
The reason, and let's use the insurance company as a proxy. The reason why insurance companies are making persistently underwriting losses is because of stiff competition. They want to capture as many customers as possible, but the price keeps just going lower. The price of premium just keeps going lower and lower and lower. But competition is not just unique to insurance companies.
Yes.
It is also facing all of us.
Correct.
So, what does competition do? It squeezes our margins. It moves value from shareholders and takes it to the customer. Then how do you survive in this environment that you're guaranteed of competition? And the secret sauce is in cash management. Understand the full flow of business, how you generate your cash, your revenues, becomes receivables, becomes cash flows. You pay your expenses until there is a bottom line. The net cash flows that remains in the business. That is the real storytelling of how good a business or otherwise it is. So I'm hoping that I don't digress very far from it, because I need to set a stage. Why should they come to us? Because this part of cash management is the most ignored in almost any business, because everybody is hoodwinked by the fact that we are in the business of manufacturing cosmetics. We're in the business of construction. We're in the business of this. We're in the business of that. We're in the business of this. But underlying theme in all these businesses is: do they have a healthy dose of cash flows, or are the cash flows thinning out? And only when that business goes into a crisis that everybody's attention is drawn to the most important thing.
Cash flows.
Cash flows. So because we understand that their core business will always distract them from looking at the cash flows, that's where we come in to support the institution and its management team and its shareholders. We say, what if we introduced a step here in between generating cash flows and using cash flows? Pass your cash flows through a money market fund, or your bespoke cash management solution with us. And if 1 billion comes in, it will come 1 billion and 1.1 billion shillings. The one extra 100 million, you didn't have it. Even if you passed it through a bank account, it could have come as 80. Just be generous. But we still have created a 20.
Correct.
That was not in the business.
Correct.
You get it? So you bring it to the other side, and now you pay your expenses. And if you keep with that discipline of cash flow management in the business, what will eventually happen is that your portfolio size will grow so much that the cash flows that are coming from your from your portfolio will be enough to take care of your expenses without touching the principal.
Wow.
Over a long period of time,
yes,
you'll be able to take care of your most critical expense lines just with your investment income line.
Yeah, you reduce your cost to income ratio.
And I like the ratios, but I just like the fact that you end up with a business that is sustainable for 100 years.
For 100 years. That is not dependent on one source of revenue.
One source of revenue, market dynamic, market turbulence, all manner of things that can happen. Global changes. You sleep peacefully.
You sleep peacefully.
Our job is to make people to sleep peacefully.
Correct.
And in fact, thank you very much. Our job is to make institutions and people to make money while they are sleeping.
While they're sleeping. Passive income.
Passive income.
Yes.
What you make from your core business is active income.
Yeah.
But what you make from investment income, on the investment income line, is passive income.
Is passive
and every
income.
business needs passive income.
Correct.
We must insulate every business from over depending on the customer.
Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Why Nabo?
Why Nabo?
Yes.
It is quite obvious.
Yes.
We are the most passionate about something we call investing with purpose.
Investing with purpose.
As guys, we are not just about making money.
Yeah.
We're like, where do you want us to take you? You want to pay your salaries?
Yes.
Without, even without 1 shilling from your customers.
Yeah.
In case such a thing ever happens, we'll draw a plan for you. We'll tell you, if you do A, B, C, D, you'll be able to pay your salaries.
Yeah.
If you do A, B, C, D, you'll be able to take care of your operating income. If you do A, B, C, D, we can actually increase your dividend by 20%.
Wow.
All in the name of very focused management of cash flows.
Yeah.
You have an expert trained to do that.
Yeah.
We can. So that is the baseline.
Yeah.
Our experience speaks for itself.
Yes.
Our experience does not start with when Nabo came to be. Our experience goes back to over 60 years now.
1967.
1967.
Wow.
When our parent company, Centum, came to being, then called ICBC Investment. So over the years, we've learned many lessons with our own money.
Yes.
Not other people's money.
Yes.
We have lost money, we have made money, we have sat down, we have learned lessons from those money, and we continue learning even today. All those experiences, we come and put them behind that executive team. We do, with every quarter, we have an exercise where we analyze all the banks in the industry.
Correct.
And we rank and we rate them and we say, do not touch this bank.
Yes.
But these banks are grade 1.
Yeah.
And let me demystify something.
Yeah.
A big bank does not necessarily qualify to be called a tier 1 bank.
It's true.
It is a fallacy.
Yeah.
How many big banks have we seen come down
last year
like this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the quality of the bank, we got into details of the quality of the bank.
Yeah.
And we say, these are the banks we will work with this quarter because their performance gives us comfort.
Not this year, this quarter. So there is realignment.
Every quarter we do that.
Yeah.
Secondly, we also have very good relationships with everyone in the sector. Because we bring big money to the banking, to our bank panel, then they also offer better rates than anyone can get.
Yeah.
So why waste time to go and negotiate what we've already negotiated for you?
Yeah.
All these things are already set.
Yeah.
And number 3, also, if you have the appetite and the capability, we are the only fund manager I know who is vastly experienced in investing across the continent.
Yeah.
With our own money.
Fast.
Yeah. We have made money from everywhere. Egypt, Tanzania, Morocco,
Ghana, when things were good.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
We have seen economies go up. We've seen economies go down. We have managed risks that we have not even experienced here in this country.
Correct.
So we know opportunities where they are across the continent.
Yeah.
And we will bring them to you, and we will discuss, and we will tailor make a product with you.
Yeah.
And that's the last one.
Yeah.
We asked our customers, what is the one thing that they like most about us? And they all said without fail, personalized selling. We have a personalized touch with every customer.
Yeah. Including the institutions.
And mind you, I'm not saying we are not perfect.
No.
But we are the most personalized when it comes to a customer touch.
Yeah.
I could go on and on, but I think that's enough.
I think that's enough for today. Those are amazing, amazing nuggets and insights. Thank you, Pius. Thank you for sharing your experience of having made money. I like the fact that you've said we've lost our own money. So we're not doing something that hasn't been done before. We're not experimenting. And experience with scars is a good experience because you know what not to do, and there are many things that you learn and glean from those particular opportunities. So you've had it. Nabo not only invests in Kenya, we invest across Africa, and I've been investing across Africa for many years. Why do you need a treasury solution or a cash management solution? One, it can help you to optimize your liquidity, generate a passive income, and FYI, money market fund, your funds are accessible within 48 hours maximum, 24 to 48 hours, your funds are accessible. Takes advantage of risk mitigation strategies across that diversification of your portfolio, whether in the money market fund or also in the segregated fund. So call us, continue to watch this series. The next video, we're going to have our Chief Investment Officer, Damitha, who'll be unpacking risk. What do we look at when we're investing, and how do we come up with an asset allocation strategy that will invest for you with your purpose? Thank you for joining us. Continue to subscribe. Our numbers are down below, and our email address also under this link. Thank you.
I hope this has been an amazing conversation, life-changing conversation to be precise. And I hope that this message gets to as many CEOs, CFOs, general managers, and business leaders out there. And for me, there is only one challenge that I want to throw to all of you who are listening my voice. How much investment income do you have amongst your revenues? What is the percentage of investment income contribution to your revenues? And I would say this, every business needs an investment income line. So I want to say, if you feel this speaks to you, please reach out to us at Nabu Capital. We will be more than happy to sit down with you to explore all the options, all scenarios, and come up with a plan of how we can optimize your investment income line. We can introduce an investment income line to be one of the contributors to your revenues and insulate your business from the turbulent times that we live in. Thank you very much for listening to me. I look forward to engaging you further after this conversation. Thank you, and God bless all of you.